Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hold or resolve if you're getting an internal error occurred when you're trying to run Windows backup, and it says that the specified resource name cannot be found in the image file. So this should hopefully be able to resolve the problem without too much of a hassle, and we're going to go and jump right into it by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, type in regedit, so regedit. Best match should come back a registry editor. You want to right click on that and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to go left click on yes. Now before you do anything in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So worst case scenario, you ever had to go back to the older version of the registry before we did any modifications, you just would do the file tab. You would just left click on the file tab, left click on export, save it to your convenient location on your computer. Make sure export range is selected to all, and then the file name, usually the date in which you're making the backup is usually a smart decision. And then if you ever needed to import it back in, you just would do file import, navigate over and locate the file. So pretty straightforward how to do that. So once you're done with that, you want to go ahead and expand the HKey local machine folder. So either double click on it or left click on a little arrow next to it to expand the drop down. Do the same thing now for the software folder. So expand that one as well. Do the same thing now for Microsoft, and then go down to Windows. Expand that one as well, and now you want to expand current version, and there should be something that says Windows Backup in here. So just scroll down a little bit further, and you can see there's a Windows Backup folder. Please note, if this tutorial was going a little bit fast for you, feel free to pause the video, rewatch part of the segment, or you could just pause it and you can look up at the top of the screen here and you can clearly see the path that we followed. So just please take note of that. And once we're over here, you want to go ahead and look for two different items. So it should be something that says valid config, as well as valid system image backup on the right side. Again, underneath the Windows Backup folder, shouldn't be anything expanding underneath it. So we're just selecting the Windows Backup, and on the right side we don't see anything in here. So that's actually good. So if you did see valid config or valid system image backup, you want to go ahead and just delete it. So you just would right click and then delete. Again, only if you saw those two items on the right side. So just make sure you clear that out. Once you're done with that, close out of here. And would now suggest opening up the start menu, type in services. Best match should come back with services here. Go ahead and left click on that. Now you want to scroll down to Windows Backup and go ahead and double click on that. You want to set startup type to manual if it's currently disabled, and if it's currently stopped, you want to go ahead and start the service. So I'm going to start it up here, and then just click on OK. Close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.